Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a professional lifestyle video tour from scratch using VideoTour.ai. You don't need any technical skills or video editing experience to follow along. By the end of this video, you'll be able to turn ordinary, empty listing photos into lively, engaging videos that help buyers visualize what it actually feels like to live in the space. We'll go step by step using a real example so you can easily recreate the same process for your own listings. Alright, let's get started. First, we'll create a new video tour. From the dashboard, click on Create New Tour, and now we'll upload our property photos. You can drag and drop your images or upload them directly from your computer. You don't need to worry about the order of the photos. The AI automatically sorts them in a logical flow, starting with the main living areas and moving through the property. If you ever want to change the order manually, you can do that. But for this tutorial, we'll let the AI handle everything for us. Once the photos are uploaded, we move on to the basic setup. First, let's choose the music. VideoTour.ai offers built-in music tracks that work perfectly for real estate videos. I recommend picking something calm and professional that doesn't distract from the visuals. We can always change this later if needed. Next, we'll enable captions. Captions are very important, especially for social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook Reels, where many people watch videos without sound. Captions help keep viewers engaged and make your message clear. Now let's select the video format. For this example, I'll choose a vertical format, since this video is meant for social media. If you're creating a video for a website or MLS listing, you might prefer a landscape format instead. The process is exactly the same. With the basic setup done, we can move on to the most important part of this tutorial. Now comes the magic, the AI lifestyle feature. This feature transforms static, empty photos into lively scenes with people, helping buyers imagine how the space can actually be used in real life. Instead of showing an empty room, you're showing a lifestyle. Let's start with the living room. Click on the living room photo, then open the AI lifestyle option. Here you'll see scene templates. This is one of the best parts of the feature. You don't need to write prompts or explain anything to the AI. Simply choose a template that fits the room. For the living room, I'll select a lifestyle template that adds people naturally interacting in the space. Click Apply. Now, let's do the same for the kitchen. Select the kitchen photo and open the AI lifestyle feature again. This time, I'll choose a different scene template that fits a kitchen environment. Again, no prompts, no manual input. Just select the template and apply it. Notice how each template is designed for different types of rooms. Living rooms, kitchens, dining areas, or even outdoor spaces all have templates that make sense visually. In just a few clicks, your listing starts to feel alive. Once all the AI lifestyle scenes are applied, we move on to the final review. Now we'll preview the full video. Take a moment to watch how the scenes flow together. You can adjust the timing of each photo, update captions, or change the music if needed. Everything is drag and drop and very easy to manage, even if this is your first time creating a video. When you're happy with the final result, click Export. VideoTour.ai will render your lifestyle video tour, and in just a few minutes, it's ready to download and share with your clients or post on social media. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've turned ordinary listing photos into a professional lifestyle video tour that helps buyers connect emotionally with the property. This is a powerful way to stand out, get more engagement, and help your listings make a stronger first impression. Try it yourself at VideoTour.ai and start bringing your listings to life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.